Good morning, traders. How are you? I hope fine. Me, I am okay. I just said to do a short live session here with you on YouTube and see how are things, and maybe you want to put some questions, and in the same time maybe we can catch something on GJ also, because we still have 48 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, and I'm expecting the price maybe in this last hour, the price to move a little bit more. Okay, so let's see if the price will break this area or not. And these two green lines, these are the weekly resistance and support, and I want to put it right here. Okay, this is the weekly resistance, and now I will put the weekly support. Okay, and like this, doing this, I can help you mapping up your charts, and like this will be easier for you to understand how the price can move. So for GJ in this moment, I can see a rejection, because although the price went up a lot, I'm waiting for GJ to make to reject from this area, although he did it on the weekly chart. Okay, you see. I don't know if there is. Okay, wait 1 second. Now, okay, now you can see me. So here we have the GJ chart. Okay, and I see that I mapped out the weekly resistance and the weekly support, and as you can see also, if you go on the daily or on the 4-hour or on the 1 hour, you can see we have this big rejection from here. Okay, and I'm expecting the price to break this area and then to come back down to here. Okay, and maybe to touch again this area of 142,700. Hi, how are you, Vinod? Video not started. It started now. You can see me and hear me very well. And as I said, I am waiting for GJ maybe to break this area, although I don't like anything, to be honest, because everything is moving so slowly, and maybe I hope that tomorrow we can catch better moves, because maybe you know that sometimes the market is not moving in our favor, and it's not like it's slipping, but it's moving slowly. That means that the buyers and the sellers are not pushing the price. Okay, so now we have on the 30-minute, and I am waiting. Let me do the candles a little bit bigger. Okay, and it's rejecting from here, and now if it's going to break this area, you have to map it like this. Like usually candles are going in a direction but stronger when you see candles like this. Okay, so these are the candles that you should trade, exactly like this, the big ones. You don't need the small ones. Okay, Even if you go on the daily and you see these big rejections, look on the 30-minute, okay? For example, on 1 hour, look how ugly it looks, okay? So also I want you to do the same when you are trying to have a trade. After you have the confirmation, try to catch this kind of moves, okay? In this case, for me, GJ looks like it's in a range zone, and we have to wait for the price to break. USD, please get stronger. It may. We don't know exactly what will happen. We are waiting for more signals on the VIP signal group. Yes, when I will see something, because I told you in the same time when I am giving signals, I am risking also my money, and maybe that's why I'm thinking 10 times before sending a signal. And don't worry, if something happens, we will extend, okay, the days. But I am waiting too for the market to give me better confirmation and to catch some good pips, okay? Because I want to make money, and I'm sure that you want to make money too. But in the same time, when you can see the market calm, like you can see it now, for example, and if you still have time to stay in front of the charts, definitely you can read about Forex. You can go to, I don't know how much advanced you are in this business, but you can go to, if you are a beginning, if you are at the beginning, you can go to babypips.com, and there you can take it step by step, and you can learn some very nice things and basic things, okay? And for those that they want to learn more, and they, let's say, they want to graduate, and maybe they want to learn my style and how I am trading, because as you saw, I have some good results. And after a very long period, yesterday was not my day, but I noticed that it didn't was my fault, because let's say that the market sometimes can be manipulated. That's why I want to say that you don't have to be sorry or to go again on the market when you are losing a trade, because sometimes the market gives us also this face, you know, that you know exactly that your charts and your entry is perfect, but the price is going in the opposite way, and you are losing money. So this is happening when the market is manipulated, and you saw also with the Tesla and what happened there with Bitcoin and so on. And now we are waiting to see what it will happen with the dollar, and in the same time I am waiting also the other pairs. And as you can see, the market is moving so slowly, and I said, when you have time and when you see the market moving like this, definitely you should start to learn something. For example, I can give you now a tip here, and let's say that if you see in a downtrend or in an uptrend candles that they close like this without any wicks, that means that the price will change direction, because the candles don't have a range to continue their ways, okay? So maybe you can have a note that when you see candles like this, 90% of the time the market shifts the move, okay? So this can happen in the monthly, weekly, daily. So today I give you one of my tips, you know. I give you something for free. And you should look in the market for this kind of candles because you will see them a lot. Okay, do you have any questions? I don't know, but don't say please look at this or look at that because I will not look. I prefer you to send me some charts with your ideas because that's why I am here for you. I am here for you, for those that they really want to learn something, that maybe have questions and they don't have. You can see here on the 30-minute the price is rejecting from this area, and I don't think that it's going to go further up, but let's see what the price wants to do. Now here we can see that we have like a small rejection, okay, and like this you can identify where you have your support and resistance. And if we go on the weekly, for example, let me go to the auto, okay, mapping up your chart, it's very easy because you have to find support and resistance. And for example, on the weekly chart, I put here the resistance because we have this, how you say, this week, okay, and also this one, and that means that the price rejected, and that means that we have a resistance. And here we have support. If I'm looking on the left side here, I will see again on the 147,900, almost 148, another zone of resistance, okay, but I don't know if the price will go right now to 147,900 at the moment, but you don't know, in weeks or months maybe this could happen, but I don't think right now because I can see that the price is still rejecting from this area. But if it's not going to reject from this area and it's going to break this resistance that we have it here at 144, let's say 145, usually the candles are still going up, continuing the move and filling this wick, okay, but until that we have to see a very beautiful move, even though we are in an uptrend. But I'm still expecting for the price to reject and to come a little bit down because the price needs let's say breathing, you know, the price needs to come down and then maybe to go up again. I repeat myself and I will repeat myself all the time for you to imagine and to be easier to understand how the price is moving. It's moving exactly like a ball, okay, up, down, up, down, up, down. So this is available also in the how you say in an uptrend or in a downtrend, okay. That's why you cannot find continuous move like this up or down. You will find beautiful moves, you know, like this, and it's easier, let's say, to see where they can reject, and this if you are going in how you say, in a higher time frame, okay. So as you can, I can see that you don't have questions, but I want to stay here with you until this 4-hour candle will close, because I really want to see if the price will reject from this area. I don't know what to say now. It's at 144 to 31, and if it's not going to break this area, and I think that this will not happen, and I tell you why, because even if we have here a very clean candle, this may happen tomorrow, but the price, I think it will be harder to break this area because we are in a strong zone. That means that, as you can see here, the price rejected. Here we have this touch, and here multiple touches, and again, and now the price rejected again. That means that this resistance that it became support, it's becoming stronger and stronger. Okay, that's why it's not so easy to be break. Okay, so what price it's breaking a resistance or a support only when how you say, only when you have momentum. And you should read more about this with the momentum, because the guys that they are taking courses with me, they know exactly what I'm talking about the momentum, and when you can find the best moment to trade and to be profitable. Okay, because you cannot be all the time in the market. You should wait for the price to give you the best confirmation. So because I have looked on the 4 hour and I saw this rejection, now I am sure that the price will continue to 144,440. Okay, and that means somewhere around here, and I will take this one and I will do it maybe like this. No, it's too much. Something like this, and the price, it may come to this area. I really want to see if it really go on that area. Okay, it may play like it happened here. It can do the same move, like the mirror move, let's say, and it will play like this a little longer, and after it will break up or down. Okay, so I'm really sorry that you are not how you say, you don't have the courage to put me questions. Okay, hi Ricky, now I saw your message. Hi, how are you? Now the 30-minute candle just started. Okay, and it seems that the price wants to continue up, and why, and I also will give you some little tips, because all the time, where is it? No, it's not this one. I think it's this one, my brush. Yes, because all the time when you are let's say mapping your charts, you have to understand how the candles are closing. Okay, and where do they close? First of all, you have to look that here the price rejected. Okay, here the price rejected again, but they rejected like this, in this direction. Okay, maybe the price now, it will do a candle, a red candle like this, and maybe the next one, it's going to be a bullish one. But I'm thinking, because the price closed above this area here where these two candles closed, I am expecting the price to continue to go up, at least to fill this week. Okay, like this you have to play on your charts. Okay, that's why also the guys the students that they are taking classes now with me, they really understood that candles, they do tell a story. And if you understand and if you wait the right moment, you can read that story, okay? So that's why I said all the time, don't be in a rush, because the market is going to be there all the time. The problem is you, because you don't want to wait and you don't really want to see exactly what the market gives you, okay? So what I gave you now here, you can find it in all the time frames from the 1 minute to 1 month. And I saw that this is happening when you are waiting for the price to give you a better direction. All the time wait for the candles to close. All the time wait for the candles to give you a better direction, okay? Don't worry if this candle is playing here like this. I'm still waiting for the price to come back up, because the candle closed here around this area, okay? So we still have 26 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. And don't worry if we will not catch any trades right now on the live session. It may happen, but I'm coming at this hour because usually on the last hour of the 4-hour candle, when it's closing, I can see that we have a lot of momentum, okay? So hi Mari, hope you're well. I'm looking forward to see your gold views. Well, tell me your views about gold and send a chart, please. There is only 15 pips left before it hits a resistance on the 30-minute and 1 hour. Yes. Hi, do you want a guest? I will have a guest, and I will be open for this when I will have ready my Zoom, and when I will send the link on the group. I think I will send it on the educational, and there all the people that they are on my group, they can be live with me, okay? And they can come and talk and say their opinions and so on, showing charts and like this, because that's why I am trying to do also this with Zoom, because I think that will help you a lot, okay? Now I can see that nothing really happened here, and so on the 15-minute, nothing, it's moving. I really want to see EURJPY, how it is. EURJPY, my god, it's nothing on the market. Also the 4-hour, this is EURUSD. EURUSD, it's rejecting from this zone, but it will come down maybe to this area or maybe to this one. Yeah, I really don't want you to play right now. It looks like USD, it's strengthening, but we should wait. Let's see. Do you have this one, livecharts.co.uk? It's very nice. So in this moment, the live charts say that euro, it's so and so, let's say weak, and GPY, it's stronger. So we are expecting the GPY to push euro and GBP, and USD to push down. So if we are going, let's say on the USDJPY. You see on the 4 hour it's saying that it's going down, it's stronger JPY than USD. But now USD, it's gaining strength and it's pushing up. So that's why I said that I don't like to push anything right now, because I will push my luck. No, I want to be your partnership. What do you mean? I took a sell, expecting a drop towards 1804 support on a bullish side of gold, goes up to retest, and then looks for a drop, then using MetaTrader 4, so can't send the chart, thanks. Oh, okay. Most probably when we will have the Zoom, you will be able to send any charts. For those that they cannot send charts right here. Okay, coming back to GJ, because this is the guest, let's say, for today. It's moving very slowly, and it's nothing that I can say. I really want to wait another 21 minutes for this 4 hour candle to close and to see if the price will continue to go up or it's going to stay in a range, or is going to break down. Who said, I think there is only 15 pips left before hits a resistance? This is for how you say, for GJ. You wanted to say, wait, what's your name? Cactus and Co. You wanted to say about GJ. Well, if you were saying about GJ, well, let me tell you that you can be very happy with 15 pips, even with 10 pips, because if you use a bigger lot size, you will be very happy because you can make money. So you can double your trade or you can triple your trade. And this I said also to the students of mine, how to manage their trades when they are placing trades like this, you know, because it's easy, and it's easy to understand, and it's easier to play it, and it's easier to catch pips, although that it's better to risk let's say the same amount of money, but you split them in 3 or 2 trades. Now I can see that almost all the pairs with USD, they are starting to move, because I receive how you say alerts, sorry. That's why, that means that something is happening with USD. It's gaining strength, or maybe it's just exactly what I said, that on the last hour of the 4 hour candle we will see some momentum. Yes, Cactus, yes, I understand now. Okay, so coming back to what you said about the 15 pips, believe me, if you do 15 pips a day, you are a king. Okay, I said that I want to make 100 pips per week. That means 20 pips per day. Okay, because we have 5 days of trading, and if you use a very good lot size according to your balance, of course, you can make some beautiful money. We don't speak here about the pips, okay? We are speaking straight about the money. Cat pairs are moving. Yes, I told you why they are moving, and because on the last hour of the 4 hour candle, all the time the pairs have momentum, and that means that they move. Now I gave you another tip, and maybe you should learn it and put it on the paper for you not to forget, okay? That's why the pairs are moving, not because something extraordinary happened on the market, because news, they didn't come, it's a clear sky, nothing happened, let's say, I don't know, do we have some tweets or something about CADs or USD, or let's see, USD CAD, maybe it's going to reject from here. I know because I am putting alerts all the time on the charts when I go on the weekly or on the daily. These are very old, my god. Yeah, look, I have here. So I hope you understood why the pairs are moving now and why I came around this hour on the chart, because I thought that during this hour we can catch some pips. I thought that the price will continue to go up, but it seems like the price is coming down because GPY is stronger than GBP. But this, it doesn't make me to take any trades, because we have very small pips right here, and when I'm looking, let's say, in one direction, not in two directions. For example, if in my mind I had, let's say, like I had here a buy, okay, for the price to go up, I'm not saying that if the price is not going up, let's take a sell. I never do this, and you should never do this, because you will blow your accounts. Don't gamble. This is not gambling, this is trading, and this is a very serious thing, okay? So don't do it like this. Don't say that if the price is not going up, it's going down. Yes, you're right, but you should not do that in that moment, okay? Don't take stupid trades, okay? Be smart. This is the only thing that I'm asking you. Be smart, because you are trading your own money, and you are here to make money, not to lose money. Let's say that USD is moving. Let's say that it doesn't matter that you are my student, or you one of let's say of the people from my VIP channel, or I don't know. Don't take stupid trades. I'm smart. I want you to be calm. I want you to be relaxed. I want you not to have how you say, heavy things on your back, like bills, like I don't know, you banks, or you have to pay something very quickly, because if you will have any kind of these pressures on your back, you will not be able to make money. In contrary, you will lose money, because from this huge pressure you will, let's say, press yourself to make money very quickly. And in Forex, it's simple. If you have a lot of money, that means a lot of money, that if you have a, let's say, a 50k balance, yes, it will be easier, let's say, to make money. But if you have a $500, it will be harder to make, because you are not playing with a bigger lot size, and it's how you say, the road, it's heavier, because you have to make a lot of trades to make money, and it will be very difficult, to see. It's like seeing a mountain, and it's very difficult to climb it, But when you have, for example, a 50K account, it's simple saying that, today, of course, if I am trading with a bigger lot size, I can make faster the money. But this, it doesn't have to be, let's say, encourage you. I don't know how to say. You have to still stay in the market and don't forget why you are here, and you will see that if you are consistent you can make money, but you will not be let's say rich or making millions very fast, because it's a little bit impossible. Okay, so don't dream big and think that if you opened your chart and you heard that you can make very fast money, it means that tomorrow you Google and you buy a new car. No, it's not like this. Maybe the new car you can buy it in 1 year, 2 or 3 years of working of every day and understanding what's happening here with the charts. That's why I don't want to sound that I am a mean person, or I don't know how to call it, but I don't want you to ask me what do you think about this pair or about that pair. I'm not doing this. I don't want to answer. If you send charts, I give you the opportunity to learn, okay? Because if you send a chart, I can look at the chart. If you don't know how to map a chart, where it's very easy, you can go on TradingView, and there it's easy to find out where is the support and resistance. I mean, you cannot come somewhere without knowing the basic things about Forex. I mean, and to play also with the real money, because sometimes I don't understand these kind of things, like you are making, let's say, of 1,000, or I don't know, you are making an account and on the MetaTrader, and of course you lose money because you don't know the psychology, you don't know the risk management, you don't know the basic things and so on. And then you wonder, oh my God, what happened? Why did I lose money? Oh, and maybe like it happened to me. A lot of people came to me and saying, Madi, please help me. Well, it's impossible for me to help you right now in this moment, because I don't know the psychology of the other traders from where you took the signals, or maybe you played on your own. So I don't know what's happening on your mind. I have my own style and I am waiting for some things, you know. And I have this kind of question. It's not like coming to me and take courses with me. No, it's like I don't understand why people, they don't invest in education before trading with real money, because you have to think it's logical that you will lose the money because you don't have the knowledge and you don't know what is going on the market. So I want you to be smart. That's why it's not easy to be how you say, it's not easy to stay every day on the charts, but you don't have to stay 12 hours a day. You just have to stay and on the right moments. And I repeat myself also for the students that I'm pretty sure that they are looking now at me. Please don't forget at what time I told you to stay on the market, at which overlap you have to trade, when you have to understand that you should act, or you should you should not be afraid to go and take any trades, because I repeat myself, even if you read thousands of books, and if you are not ready, psychological, and you are not ready with you to risk some money, then you will not be able to invest and you will lose money. Because here it's also about risking not only about gaining, but if you know how to map up your things, if you know how to, if you know how to manage your trades, and if you know how to be in the market on the right time, believe me that you can make a lot of money. And a lot of money meaning that you can have money to go in a trip, you can have money to buy clothes, perfumes, I don't know, to pay your bills and so on. But for this you have to be consistent, and to be consistent you have to be smart and to think with your brain that you have to make money, not to lose money. So again, for those that they really want to learn, they should be all the time, I'm not saying about me, but you should be on the live streams with somebody that you like and you really want to learn. This is happening for those that they, let's say, they don't have now in this moment some money to invest in education, but they can invest smarter in education, meaning that they can search for people that they really want to learn something from them. Like I have people that they are watching me, and they want to make something with their own lives. I mean, life meaning in this community of Forex. So believe me, it took a lot of time for me to understand that things could be better if I invest in my education, if I have a very, very good strategy, because if you don't have a good strategy, you are dead. Okay? There are some things that they match together, you know, and with these things, let's say components, like a component of the engine of a car. So if you don't have some components of that engine, then the engine is not moving. It's the same thing with the Forex market. If you are missing some pieces, then you will not be able to be consistent and to make more money. Now, in the same time that I was speaking, I can see that GJ nothing did. I mean, everything is pretty dead at this time, and I was expecting that the price can move right now in this last hour, and that's why I was here with you. And also, to be honest, because I missed you, and I like to stay here with you and talk to you, because it's funnier when I talk than to when I send messages. So when I'm passing through all the charts, all the pairs, EURCAD, Euro New Zealand, GJ, in this moment nothing really happens, and I want you to relax and maybe to go out. I don't know, for those that they are watching me and they live in the same country with me, they can go out because it's a very beautiful day today, and I think we have something like 12 or 13 degrees. It's very beautiful outside and sunny. And you can do whatever you want, because in this moment right now nothing really happens. Okay, so if I have something new, special, if I can see something that really moves, let's say in my favor, like I wanted to see it, for sure, definitely I will give the signal, because I want to catch some pips too, you know. And take care of you. Please don't over trade, for those that they are not trading with me. And see you very soon. And please give a like and subscribe to my channel if you liked it and if you think that was useful for you. And I am waiting also for your the trading view, where you can see my weekly analysis, and you can have a look on them and watch what I said and why I am waiting for some pairs to do some moves. Okay, so before going into a trade, you need a confirmation and you need to be smart. Okay, so take care of you, and most probably I will come again tomorrow because I really miss to take some trades on the live session, and like we had last week with the NFP and with one day before and so on. So I'm pretty sure that this GJ, the crazy one, it will continue to go up and retest again this area, okay? But I will not take this trade because I really not see something very concludent. So if I will see something, I will give it to you, okay? Gold is moving. Well, yes, it's moving because there is another 3 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, and it's pushing. There is momentum. That's why it's moving. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I see you on the group chat. And for those that they are not on my group chat, they can send me an email. I want sorry, not email, message, and they can say that they want to stay for 1 week on the educational VIP channel, because I said that I will give it for free 1 week, and you can join and to see what's going on there. Okay, so thank you so much, and don't overtrade. Okay, bye.